How to use Cash App. Hey everybody, welcome back to Let Me Help. In today's video, I'm going to give you a short tutorial on how to use it. So make sure that you have installed Cash App in your device. Once done, go ahead and tap on Open. Once you launch your app, enter your credentials, your phone number or email address, and get logged into your account. Now this is what it will look like. First of all, you want to go ahead on your profile on your top right and link your account to make further transactions. At this page, you will see linked banks. Tap onto it and tap on Link Credit Card. Just like so, link your bank card. Come back to your home page, then you will see Add Cash or Cash Out. Tap on Add Cash. Here you can either request a payment or pay. Type in the amount and type in the name of the recipient, and if you have any note, just write it in the For section. Once done, tap on Request on your top right. Come back to your home page, and on the card option just beside the $sign at the bottom of your page, you will see offers. For instance, how you can get a free cash card. All you have to do is swipe to your left and it will show you the ways you can do so. Tap onto the increasing trend just beside the $sign at the bottom of the page, then you will see all the stocks. You can either discover a stock by tapping on Discover a Stock, and at the end, you will see a Bitcoin option. Tap onto it. Here you will see a list of all the Bitcoins that you can buy and its prices. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you to understand Cash App, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this.